to pass with amendments, and number 4, time period of 3 months elapsed and House has not taken up the bill for discussion. The House has not taken up the bill for discussion. So, when an ordinary bill or financial bill category 1, category 2, after being passed from the first house goes to second house has, that is the State Legislative Council has the 4 options. Option number 1 is to pass, option number 2 is to reject, option number 3 is to pass with amendment, and option number 4, time period of 3 months elapsed, but the House has not taken up the bill for discussion. Now, in case it was passed, then there is no problem because the bill got passed from both the houses, after which it will go to governor, and with governor assent the bill can become an act. But in case it was rejected, in case it was passed with amendment, in all these 3 cases, the bill will come back to State Legislative Assembly. Comes back to State Legislative Assembly. If it was rejected, then it will come back. If it was passed with some amendment, then also it will come back. Or 3 months elapsed and Legislative Council has not taken up the bill for discussion, then also it will come back. But interesting is that second time after it is passed by the State Legislative Assembly. Now, second time, this is important, right? Second time, now it was passed by the State Legislative Assembly, then it will go to State Legislative Council. And when it goes to State Legislative Council, now again second time the Legislative Council has options. What are those options? Option is to pass, first option. Second option is, to pass with amendments, and third option is time period of 1 month elapsed and House has not taken up the bill for discussion. Okay. So, time period of 6 months. Now, what is the option number 3? Time period of 1 month elapsed and the House has not taken up the bill for discussion. What is the second option? To pass with amendments. And what is the first option? The first option is to pass. Now, if it was passed, then again no problem because the bill got passed from the 2 houses of Parliament. But in case it was passed with second time with amendments, or time period of 1 month has elapsed and the House has not taken up the bill, then in these two cases it is deemed that bill was passed by a state legislative council in the same format in which it was passed by a state legislative assembly second time. Have you understood? State legislative assembly second time. Okay. So, once you have understood this process, let me just tell you the process again. There should be conceptual clarity about the legislative process which we follow in the state legislature. Number one, I told you, in the state legislature, there is no concept of constitutional amendment bill. In the state legislature, with bicameral legislation, money bill, the procedure is same which is followed in parliament with a state legislative council with no role. Maximum it can cause a delay of 14 days because money bill can only be introduced in the state legislative assembly, and if it goes to a state legislative council, it can only give suggestions, and for that also it has 14 days. So practically there is no power of a state legislative council on money bill. Now within the state legislature there can be an ordinary bill and financial bill category 1 and category 2. Now when it comes to an ordinary bill or financial bill category 1 and category 2, ordinary bill can be introduced in a state legislative council also. But after it is passed by the state legislative council, it will go to a state legislative assembly, and if a state legislative assembly will reject, then it is an end to the bill. So till this point, everything is very simple. Only thing where you need conceptual clarity is about an ordinary bill or financial bill category 1 and category 2, which is introduced in the state legislative assembly. Now in this diagram you see, which is introduced in the state legislative assembly and is passed by the state legislative assembly, then it goes to the state legislative council. So I told you, you just see on your own in this diagram, you just see that ordinary bill, financial bill, category 1 and category 2, if is introduced in the state assembly, legislative assembly, if it is passed by the state legislative assembly, then it goes to a state legislative council. It goes to a state legislative council. Now when it reaches a state legislative council, you see, a state legislative council, one option is to pass the bill. Okay. And the other options, if you see, it can be, right, you can see, it can be rejected by the state legislative council. It can be passed with amendments. Okay. If time period of 3 months elapsed and the House has not taken up the bill for discussion. Now in all these cases, in all these 3 cases, right, what you need to remember, the bill will, you just see, it comes back to the state legislative assembly. It comes back to the state legislative assembly. And the state legislative assembly will pass the bill second time, and then it will go to a state legislative council for the second time. And when it goes to the state legislative council for the second time, then state legislative council second time has option. Option number 1 is to pass the bill. If it is passed, then no problem. Option number 2 is to pass it with amendment. You just see, to pass it with amendment. And the third is time period of 1 month has elapsed and the House has not taken up the bill for discussion. Now in the remaining two option, what is happening, that it is deemed that the bill was passed by the State Legislative Council in the same format in which it was passed by a State Legislative Assembly second time. I hope you have understood this. Now, once you have understood this process, then we can do some discussion. Now, what discussion we can do? We can do that a close examination, right? A very close examination of the legislative process which is followed in bicameral state legislature is bringing us to this conclusion that legislative council can only cause delay but can never deny a bill becoming an act. Okay, so what I am just trying to say, conclusion is what? First conclusion, State Legislative Council has very limited, right, very limited legislative power, very limited legislative role. Okay, very limited legislative role. It can cause delay, but can never deny any bill becoming an act. Any bill becoming an act. What is the power? Right? What is the power? If ordinary bill or financial bill category 1, category 2, which was introduced in State Legislative Assembly and goes to Legislative Council, maximum first time 3 months, second time 1 more month, and then some time which is required for inter-house transaction, meaning bill going from one house to other and from other to the first house, in that whatever, that much period delay it can cause. But it can never deny any bill becoming an act. So, a State Legislative Council has very limited legislative role to play. Though it has very limited legislative role, it can only cause delay in bill becoming an act. It can never deny any bill becoming an act. Even then, I feel, right, I feel that as a second chamber, with limited legislative power, second chamber with limited legislative power, it is helping in preventing hasty legislation. Hasty legislation. Okay. And it is creating an option for 2 times mature discussion on the bill. Deliberation will be there on the bill. If there would have been only one house, then the bill would have been passed and would have gone to governor, and with the assent of governor, the bill would have become an act. But because of a State Legislative Council, at least an opportunity is getting created for advanced level discussion, mature deliberation, not once but twice. And therefore, I feel that this house is playing a very significant role as far as preventing the state from any hasty legislation is concerned. Otherwise, a close examination of the process which is followed for legislation in bicameral state legislature can only bring us to this final conclusion that State Legislative Council can cause some delay in bill becoming an act, but it can never deny any bill becoming an act. And friends, from prelims exam point of view, I would just like you all to understand even this, that in a bicameral state legislature with a state legislative assembly and state legislative council, never ever there can be a deadlock between two houses, because there is no provision with which there can be deadlock. And since there can never be deadlock, so there is no provision of joint sitting during the passage of the bill to resolve the deadlock, because state legislative council has very, very limited legislative power. There can never be deadlock. There can be, there can be time which there can be requirement of some more time to resolve the difference and move on, but there can never be deadlock. And this is the reason why you should remember that only time when there is a joint sitting in a bicameral state legislature is when governor has to address the two houses of a state legislature. So only purpose for which joint sitting will be there in the bicameral state legislature when governor of the state will address the joint sitting of two houses of a state legislature. And when governor will address? Two occasions. Every year, the budget session of the state legislature will start with joint sitting of a state legislative assembly and a state legislative council, which is addressed by governor of the state. And whenever after elections, new state legislative assembly is constituted, then the first meeting of the state legislative assembly will be in the form of joint sitting, and that joint sitting is addressed by the governor of the state. So only occasion when there will be joint sitting in bicameral state legislature is when governor of the state has to address. And whenever the governor will address the joint sitting of the state legislature, then the two houses of the state legislature, they have to pass a motion of thanks towards the governor of the state. And friends, you should remember this, that at no time during the passage of the bill, there can be deadlock between the two houses of bicameral state legislature, and therefore there is no requirement of joint sitting to resolve the deadlock. So, final comments from my side: you should have complete conceptual clarity about the legislative procedures which are followed in a unicameral state legislature as well as bicameral state legislature. And as of now in India, we have unicameral state legislature in all states except the state of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. These are the states in India where we have bicameral state legislature with a state legislative assembly and a state legislative council. So this is all about the legislative procedures in the state legislature.